Welcome to our virtual class for today. Our subject today is mathematics and our topic, profit and loss. Now, traders get themselves involved with business just to make profits or gain. Okay, but sometimes they end up making loss. Now, what is profit? Profit or gain happens when selling price is more than cost price. Profit happens when selling price is more than cost price. Now, loss. Loss also happens when cost price is more than selling price. Loss happens when your cost price is more than your selling price. Now, what is cost price? Cost price is the price at which goods are purchased. Okay? That price at which you bought your goods is what we call cost price. Now, while selling price is the price at which goods are sold. Okay? That price at which you sold your goods is what we call selling price. Now, we have the formula here on the board. Profit, selling price minus your cost price. The amount you bought your goods, the amount you sold your goods minus the amount you bought your goods. That will give you your what? Your profit. Beautiful. Now we have loss. Loss is cost price minus your selling price. Cost price minus your selling price. So the amount you bought your goods and then the amount you're selling it. This will help us determine if you made loss. Okay. Now, we have some examples here on the board. A trader bought some goods at 3,000 naira. A trader bought some goods at 3,000 naira and sold them for 4,200. Now, we want to find out if it's gain or loss. Let's do this together, okay? Now, remember I said your cost price is the amount you bought the goods. So we have here some goods bought at 3,000 naira. So beautiful. I bought my goods at 3,000 naira and sold them for 4,200. So selling price for 4,200. Beautiful. Now we want to know if this trader made gain or loss. How do we know that? Remember our formula says for profit, selling price minus cost price. Now if you take a closer look at this, my selling price is more than my cost price. So just looking at this alone will tell you that it's profit because selling price is greater than cost price. Remember our greater than sign. Okay, so all we need to do is subtract 4,200 minus 3,000. Fastest finger, do that for me. This will give us what? Beautiful. 1,200. Okay, so is this profit or loss? This is profit because our selling price is more than our cost price. So therefore, profit is equal to 1,200. Beautiful. That's very simple. Okay? Now let's try this together. Goods which cost 4,500 were later sold for 3,960 naira. Now find the profit or loss made. Is this profit or loss? Remember, our formula says profit, selling price minus cost price. And our formula for loss says cost price minus selling price. So let's determine our cost price and our selling price. Now, anywhere you see buy, purchase, or bought, or even cost, that's your cost price. Okay? Okay, now what's our selling price? Anywhere you see sell, selling price, or sold is called your selling price. So we have here sold 3,000. 3,960. Now remember, our formula for selling price, our formula for loss or profit will help us determine if the trader made a profit or loss. Now let's go back again to our formula. Profit says selling price minus cost price. Now loss says cost price minus your selling price. Now look at this. Which is greater? Is it your cost price or your selling price? Good. Your cost price is greater than this. And so what do you have to do? You subtract this from this. Remember this. So we bring this. And then this one. Now let's do this together. 0 minus 0. Can 6 be taken away from 0? No, you take 1 from here, you borrow. This becomes 4, and this becomes what? 10. So 10 take away 6 will give me what? 4. Beautiful. Now can we subtract 9 from 4? No, you borrow 1 from here. And this becomes 14. Now 14 take away 9. 4 and 5. I have 5 remaining. Okay? Now 3 take away 3 is what? Nothing. So is this profit or loss? How do I know? My cost price is 4,500. I bought it for 4,500 and I sold it for 3,960. So, since my cost price is greater than my selling price, it is a loss. Okay? Beautiful. Now let's do a recap on our lesson for today. Profit happens when your selling price is more than your cost price. And loss happens when your cost price is more than your selling price. Remember, the amount or the price at which you bought your goods or you purchased your goods is what we call cost price. And the amount at which you sold your goods is called selling price. Remember, your formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. And the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price. Okay, I'll give you a home package on this. Now remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and always wash your hands and use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Bye-bye.